After Sunday's game against the Seahawks, Broncos Country can't help but wonder, is Denver's offense finally back to where it was 2 years ago? From the Denver Post Sports Desk, I'm Kerry, and this is Sports Minute. On Sunday, the Broncos offense looked strong with 8 players who had at least one offensive touch, 7 pass plays that gained at least 20 yards, and a total combined 470 yards. The Broncos rushed 32 times for 146 yards, while Keenum threw for 329 yards and 3 touchdowns. Against a struggling Seattle defense, however, it's hard to say if this is the trend we will see all season. One of the biggest arguments against this being the norm were Keenum's 3 interceptions on the day that Seattle could have capitalized more on. The true test of Denver's offense will likely be this weekend against the Raiders, but like the Seahawks, their defense looked to be struggling in Week 1 as well. Was the Broncos' offensive performance just a flash in the pan, or is it a good indicator of what Broncos Country can expect all year? I want to know what you think. Hit me up on Twitter at Kerry and Keogh.